Friends, welcome to our channel My Edu World. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Also, do not forget to like and share this video. Today we are going to see a video on the constitutional history of India. This is the part 5th of the constitutional history of India. In the 5th part, we would see about two acts. The first one is Government of India Act 1858 and the second one is Government of India Act 1919. So firstly, let us see about the Government of India Act 1858. So let's start. Government of India Act 1858 was enacted in the wake of First War of Indian Independence in 1857. The Government of India Act 1858 is also known as the Queen's Proclamation, which was passed on 1st November 1858. This act was passed for the better government of India. It is also known as the Magna Carta of the people of India. It abolished the East India Company and transferred the power of the government territories and revenue to the British Crown. It changed the designation of Governor General of India to the Viceroy of India. Lord Canning was the last Governor General and the first Viceroy of British India. It ended the system of double government by abolishing the Board of Control and the Court of Directors. It created a new office called the Secretary of the State of India. He had the full authority and the control over the India's administration. It established a 15-member Council of India to assess the Secretary of the State. The Secretary of the State was the chairman of the council. So now let us see about the Government of India Act 1919. This act is popularly known as Montagu-Chelmsford Reform. Montagu was the Secretary of the State of India and Chelmsford was the Viceroy of India. This act provided the right to vote for women in India. It introduced diarchy in provinces. The diarchy in provinces was introduced by dividing the provincial subjects into two parts, transferred and reserved. It introduced bicameralism and direct elections. It required that 3 of the 6 members of Viceroy's Executive Council of the Commander-in-Chief were to be Indians. It extended the principle of communal representation by providing separate electorate for Sikh, Indian Christians, Anglo-Indians and Europeans. Do you know that father of communal electorate in India was Lord Minto? Do you know why he is known as the father of communal electorate? Let me tell you that he passed the Indian Council Act of 1909. According to that, it provided a separate electorate for Muslims, and now it was extended for Sikhs, Indian Christians, Anglo-Indian and Europeans. We have discussed this in our last video. I have given the link of our last video in description. It provided for the establishment of a public service commission which was set up in 1926 for recruiting civil servants. So friends, thank you for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Also, do not forget to like and share this video.